In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and manage receipts in QuickBooks Desktop by attaching them directly to transactions. Keeping your receipts connected to the transactions they belong to makes audits smoother, helps you find documentation fast, and keeps your books clean and supportable. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can do this confidently every time. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and log in. Make sure you're using a user profile with permission to edit the transactions you'll be working with. If you're in a multi-user environment, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right company file before you begin. Next, open the transaction you want to attach a receipt to. This could be an expense, a bill, a check, or a credit card charge, whatever matches how the purchase was recorded. You can open these from the vendors or banking menus, or directly from your recent transactions list, depending on where you're working. At the bottom of the transaction window, click Attachments. Then choose Attach File. In some versions, you might notice a paperclip icon. It leads to the same place. A file browser will open so you can pick the receipt image or document from your computer. Browse to the folder where you keep your receipts and select the file. QuickBooks Desktop supports common formats like PDF, JPG, and PNG. Before attaching, it's worth checking that the receipt is readable. Clear totals, vendor name, and date, so it's useful later. Consistent file names like vendor date amount can also save you time when searching. Click Open, and QuickBooks will attach the receipt to that transaction. You'll usually see an attachments indicator on the transaction window to confirm it's linked. Attaching a receipt doesn't change the transaction's amount or accounts. It simply stores the documentation with the record, so you have everything in one place. To view the receipt later, open the same transaction and click the Attachments tab. From there, you can preview the file and confirm it's the one you expect. This is especially helpful during month-end reviews or when answering questions from your accountant. If you need to remove a receipt, open the transaction, click Attachments, select the file, and click Delete. This removes the attachment from the transaction without affecting the transaction itself. If you remove something by mistake, you can simply reattach the file again using the same steps. That's all there is to it. Attach, view, and remove receipts right where you need them. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.